Assalamualaikum. Okay, class. Good morning. Before we start our lesson, we pray to our God. Pray start. Pray is finished. Okay. Before we start our lesson, how are you today? Oh, okay. I'm fine too. Okay. Now we start to study ya. Okay, how many students present in today? Oh, okay, 25. Okay. Now I want to start our lesson about simple past tense. Before that, okay, I remind you about our last lesson. We are study about simple present tense, right? Okay, simple present tense same like past tense, simple past tense, but it's just hanya ada perbedaan kata kerjanya saja. Okay, we learn about simple past tense. Okay. Sebelum kita masuk ke ini, ada yang tahu tentang simple past tense? Yeah, do you know about simple past tense? Okay, please. Okay, that's right. Simple past tense adalah kalimat tenses yang digunakan untuk menyatakan kejadian yang terjadi di masa lampau dan berakhir di masa lampau pula. Okay, who knows the pattern of past tense? Okay, please. Yeah, that's right. Okay, we write in the here. Okay. Subject followed, verb to followed, objective or complement. Okay, for example, di dalam simple past tense, kata kerja yang digunakan merupakan kata kerja yang kedua atau verb to. Terdapat dua jenis kata kerja. Ada yang tahu kata kerja apa? Yeah, you are right. Irregular verb dan regular verb. Untuk regular verb biasanya ditambahkan ed or di belakang kata kerja tersebut, kata kerja awalnya atau kata kerja pertama. Contohnya, sebelum kita masuk ke example, kita buat contoh kata kerja yang regular verb. Yang pertama, stay. Menjadi stayed. Oke. Artinya meninggalkan. Ada yang tahu another example for regular verb? Oke, Ulan. Oke, alright. Yaitu play or played, right? Play menjadi played. Di akhir kata kerja tersebut terdapat ed. Oke. Untuk irregular verb terdapat di dalamnya to be. Bentuk kata kerja keduanya sangat berbeda. Contohnya, ada yang tahu? Oh, nggak ada ya. Oke, kita tulis ya. Contoh untuk irregular verb. menjadi drank. Oke. Vegan menjadi vegan. Oke. Di sini beda ya dari kata kerja pertama sama kata kerja keduanya, ada perbedaan. Oke. Namun ada sebagian irregular verb yang memiliki bentuk kata kerja yang sama dengan kata kerja yang pertama. Ada yang tahu? Ya, please. Oke, cut tetap menjadi cut. Oke, you are good. Oke, contohnya ini ya. Cut tetap menjadi cut di kata kerja yang keduanya. Terus set tetap menjadi set di kata kerja yang keduanya juga. Oke, kita bakal buat contoh dari kalimat past tense. Contohnya, oke, contohnya Abdul went to Bali for holiday last Sunday. Oke, di sini subjeknya, di sini waktunya, di sini objek or complement plus kata keterangan waktu di dalam simple past tense. Oke, who knows to the negative sentence-nya? Ya, please, Salsa. Oke. Yeah, that's right, and you are very good. Okay, in the negative sentence, Abdul did not go to Bali for holiday last Sunday. Oke, in negative sentence itu Abdul did not go to Bali for holiday last Sunday. In negative sentence we use to did plus not, but verb to yang di kalimat positif tadi menjadi verb one di kalimat negatifnya. Kembali ke kata kerja yang pertama. Oke, ada yang tahu untuk interrogative sentence-nya? Oke, very nice. Did Abdul go to Bali for holiday last Sunday? Okay. In interrogative sentence, subjek to be di depan, subjeknya mengikuti di belakang. Terus kata kerjanya tetap menjadi kata kerja yang pertama, sama kayak negative sentence. Terus go to Bali for holiday last Sunday. Okay. It's the example for simple past tense. Jika kalimatnya tidak menggunakan kata kerja, maka pola kalimatnya adalah, kita tulis ya. Ada yang tahu sebelumnya? Okay, you are right. It's very nice. Okay, patternnya itu subject followed by or was or were, followed complement. Okay, and this is the pattern kalau nggak ada kata kerjanya. Subject followed by, B-nya itu was or were, followed complement. Oke, kita buat contohnya ya. Example. Oke, ini example kalau kalimatnya tidak terdapat kata kerja. Contohnya, they were late this morning. Ini subject, ini was or were. Karena dia they, kita menggunakan were. Late this morning, ini termasuk complements. Oke, ada yang tahu untuk mengubah menjadi negative sentence? Oke, you please. Yeah, it's very good. Okay. They were not late this morning. Okay. Okay, this is for negative sentence. They were not late this morning. Ini subjeknya followed by was or were, followed by complements. They were not late this morning. Okay. For the interrogative sentence, who knows? Yeah, please. Okay, it's good. Okay, the answer is were they late this morning? Okay, this is interrogative sentence. Were they late this morning? B was or were-nya di depan, followed subject, followed complement-nya. Oke. Untuk to be was or were, was ini hanya digunakan untuk subjek I, she, he, dan it. Sedangkan were digunakan untuk subjek you, they, dan we. Oke. Simple past tense juga menggunakan kata keterangan waktu di akhir kalimatnya. Ada yang tahu contoh keterangan waktu di simple past tense? Oke, raise your hand. Oke, you. Yeah, that's good and right. Oke, kata keterangannya itu last Sunday. Oke, ada yang tahu lagi kata keterangan waktu di simple past tense? Yeah, please. Oke, yesterday. Good, you are right. Oke, yesterday. is for keterangan waktunya adalah Sunday, yesterday, last week, last month, last year juga bisa. Pokoknya dia harus berhubungan dengan masa lalu kata keterangannya. Oke, ini kata keterangan waktu di simple past tense. Ada last Sunday, yesterday, last week, last month, juga bisa last year. Yang berhubungan dengan masa lampau atau yang sudah pernah terjadi atau yang sudah terjadi. Okay, there's an equation for our lesson today. Okay, I give two question. You just change to negative sentence and interrogative sentence. Okay, first write on your book. Okay, first, my parents came to visit me last July. Okay, once again, my parents came to visit me last July. Okay, it's first question, and the second is, okay, the second question is, we gave her a doll for her birthday. Okay, once again, we gave her a doll for her birthday. Okay, write on your book to change become a negative and interrogative sentence. And, okay, later I will ask you one by one to answer here, and we check it together. Okay. Okay, class, let's we answer together. Okay, first, number one is, my parents came to visit me last Sunday. Okay, last July. Okay, who knows the answer of negative sentence? Yeah, please. Okay, that's good. Okay, the answer is, my parents did not come to visit me last July. Okay. Okay, ini subjeknya followed, did, followed not, followed verb 1, karena di negative sentence tidak menggunakan verb 2, tetapi kembali ke verb 1. Followed object and complement, followed keterangan waktu. Okay, to interrogative sentence, who knows? Okay, yes please. Okay, that's good. Did my parents come to visit me last July? Okay, ini did-nya di depan kalimat, subject followed by verb 1 atau kata kerja pertama, followed object or complement, dan keterangan waktu. Okay, the second question we answer together too. Okay. get her a doll for her birthday. Okay, to negative sentence. Who knows? Yeah, you please. Okay, very good. We did not give her a doll for her birthday. Okay, to interrogative sentence. Yeah, please. That's good. Did we give her a doll for her birthday? Oke, ada yang sama jawabannya seperti yang di depan. Oke, saya rasa cukup untuk hari ini. Jadi, simple past tense itu adalah kejadian yang terjadi di masa lampau dan berakhir di masa lampau pula. Ini contoh-contohnya. So, I think it's enough. Okay, don't forget to study at home, stay healthy, and Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Goodbye.